Hello world, hello Philippines, hello fellow Mabudians. Um, Hi again, this is Raul Rico, a 100 manager from the Philippines. Last week I provided help in the amount of 30,000 and 5,000 in the mining version 3 with a 10% growth present for 5 days. So I got Mabu growth uh, an amount of 500 and 3,000, so a total of 3,500. So my 35,000 becomes 38,500. And since it has no more growth, I decided to get help the amount of 13,500, and now I got already all the amount, and I want to testify again that MMM really pays. So thank you so much for the MMM community and all the participants who are assigned to provide me help in the amount of 38,500. I have it all now, and thank you so much, fellow Mabudians. So this is a proof that nothing is impossible when we are a big community helping each other directly. So come on everybody and join MMM. There's no big rest if you are just going to try MMM. Just start with a small amount if you have any doubts, and then try to experience what is really in here, the MMM community. Thank you to our father founder, Sergey Mavrodi. Thank you, sir, and to all the staff and administrators of the MMM Global. Thank you too to all my uplines and to all my downlines and to all the participants of this uh, community whose dedication is the power of giving. So, guys, God bless, and together we can change the world. Thank you so much, and God bless all of us.